Hello students, hope you are fine and managing your studies. Students, you know what? The correct pronunciation of words affect our speaking very much. Pronunciation and clear understanding of English speech are two skills which complement each other. It means that if you know how to pronounce the words and phrases correctly with proper intonation, your level of speech understanding is also increased. Today, I shall tell you some specific pronunciation tips. Number 1. Learn to listen to others. The more you listen, the more successful you will be. Nowadays, there are many opportunities of learning native English speech. Songs, films, TV series, videos on YouTube, etc. Practice makes perfect. Even your English level is high. You can lose your phonetic skills if you have too little practice. To avoid it, just do some simple exercises. Read aloud or in a whisper and repeat the words which you find difficult to pronounce. Number 2. Recite the poems or sing songs observing rhythm and intonations. Speak English to your friends whose English is good or better than yours. If your pronunciation is not perfect, don't speak fast. Pronounce words slowly and clearly, and any native English speaker will understand you. So, here are some words you have to pronounce correctly. Beneath, breeze, meet, fear, each, meadow, etc. The next one, here are given some words, but some letters are missing in each. Write double E or EA in each word, and the words are TR-S, SL-P, PL-SE, B-P, T-SE, F-P, T-CH, M-T. So the first is trees. Second will be sleep. Third is please. Fourth is beep. The fifth is tease. Sixth is feet. Next is teach. And the last is meet. Time for the next task. Here you may see some pictures. You have to answer the questions by looking at the picture. And the first is, what is happening in the picture 5? And the answer is, a girl is diving into water. Second, what is Mohan practicing in picture 4? And the answer is, he is practicing high jump. Next, what are Anil and his friends pulling in picture 3? And the answer is, Anil and his friends are pulling a rope. Next, where are the boats racing in picture 2? And the answer is, the boats are racing in water. Next, what are girls doing in picture 6? And the answer is, they are swimming. Time for practice. Here are some questions given to you for homework. Number 1. Here are two bubbles on the screen. Write the words with double E or EA inside the bubbles. In the second, look at the pictures carefully. Make 1 questions for each pictures and write their answers also. You may use words like how many, what, how, why, etc. Now it's time to say your goodbye. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.